On 3rd of December, a truck container carrying SUV overturned and skid off the roadside at Sangti, Hidi, falling under the jurisdiction of Bokajan police station. Cars worth of 1 crore destroyed. As per the sources, eyewitness of the incidents informed that the incidents occurred when the car carrier truck trailer bearing registration number NL01AC0468 proceeding from Guwahati towards its destined location Lahorijan. The driver lost control of the truck, which consequently overturned and flipped off the roadside along National Highway 39, Sangti Hidi and Paklangso. As many as 6 sports utility vehicles were destroyed in the act. The SUVs includes Mahindra's 2 Bolero, 2 Scorpios and 2 XUV 700. Bokajan police reached the spot of the incidents and took control over the incidents. No loss of life has been reported. The driver of the truck was identified as Deepak Jha. Jha informed that the accidents had taken place after he fell asleep and lost control over the truck. Ananterang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.